Come to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make $500 a month as a mobile app developer, and depending the part of the world where you are. But here is Nigeria, so $500 is a huge sum of money as a passive income. So making $500 a month from only app can help you go along the way. Then if you want to know the detail and to know more about that, check the description. You will see a link that will show you how to do that. I'm going to take you to my Google Admob dashboard. Please, dashboard is a sensitive area, but I'm going to show you that. So there is nothing hidden about it. So we'll click on this Google Admob. Google Admob is what controls just like AdSense for mobile applications. Google Admob is just like AdSense for mobile applications. So this is a typical Google Admob. If you want to know how to get this, check the description below, because I have a link that will show you how to get this. So this is what I earned today so far. This is what I earned yesterday. This is what I earned this month, and this is what I earned last month. This is just for app. So this earnings is connected to my AdSense. So when I check my AdSense, if you come here and check this for last month. If you come here and check it, it's almost the same thing. This 79, then this 77. So some money has been deducted by Google. Why, I don't know, whatever. So this is integrated, Admob is integrated to this AdSense. So if you have AdSense account, whatever you earn from your Admob, for now, we'll go to AdSense at the end of the month. Maybe with time, Google is going to separate it. But for now, we go to AdSense. So let's check the payments. Let's view transaction. Go this, my balance. Okay, this is what is deducted. Then this is my starting balance. So if you check it here, you'll see other details here. But this is just for last 3 months. Then what I'm going to do now, I'll click here and then go and check the previous year. But this is the new year, this is 2023. So let's check previous year, which is 2022. I'll see how much I've earned for the year. Cool. So if you scroll down here, gradually you will see the amount. I have 178, I have 178, I have 160, then 161. Okay, I have 170 here. So this traffic is pure organic. There is nothing there, no advert, nothing. So October I have 170, September I had 120, August I had 101, July I had 206, then June I had 92, May I had 130. March. Okay, April I had 61. March I had 120. February I had 64. Then January I had 147. If I advertise this, I'm going to get more. But for now, this is just like passive income because I still have other things I'm doing. So that's why I don't want to pay much attention here. Rather allow it to flow naturally with organic traffic. So if you want to know how to make this passive income, you check the description below. There's a link that will show you how to get this. So this is just January 2023. So if you're able to make up to $200 a month approximately, then at the end of the year you're going to get about $2,000 something, which is a huge money in Nigeria. Then if you're making $300 to $500 a month, you know it's going to go a long way. If you're making $100 a month, it's also cool because here $100 is approximately now 70k or 72k. That's $100, and we go a long way, just a passive income. So get the details, know how to make it. It's easy as ABCD. Once you have it, you keep on coming every day by day. And if you go through, come back here and click on home. You check what I today so far, compare to what I've gotten yesterday. Then you know I'm going higher because this is 6.61, while this is 4.66. So why not check the description below and start the journey from this January, and from 2 to 3 months to come, you're going to be happy you did, because you're going to smile. Google Admob, you don't need any Google AdSense approval to get this. Once you get all the procedure done, you'll start earning that day. You don't need all the hustle, protocol, muzzle, corner that AdSense needs for your blog to be approved. You don't need anything. Just check the description below. If you have any problem, use the comment section and I'll answer you in due time. You can also do well and join my class. That's going to show you everything you need. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel